Happy Tuesday! Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. And I know the month is 4 because April is the 4th month. 14 is the 14th day of the 4th month. And 20 is the year 2020. And today, on Tuesday, we usually go to library. So I am hoping that you find an awesome book to read today. Whether it's listening to it on YouTube or finding someone to read a really cool book to you, just have a fun time reading today. All right, now, what I want you to do is I want you to think, what month is your birthday? Once you've said out loud what your birthday month is, I want you to count to see what number you would write for your birth month. All right, now let's take a look. We said that this is called a tally chart. And when we tally our days that we have charted weather, we put it in a chart like this. So it's easier to read the information, right? So I want you to be a meteorologist. I want you to look out your window and I want you to tell me what you think the weather will be based on the clues that you see. I hope you said sunny, because I see some sun in the sky. Even though there are some little clouds, I think those clouds are probably going to dissipate, which means to go away. They are going to wither away, and we are going to have a sunny day today. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to look at our weather chart. Look at our weather chart, and I want you to tell me how many rainy and cloudy days have we had? I hope you heard that word and. What does and mean? Yes, and means plus. Remember, how many more means minus. So and right here means plus. So what two types of weather am I talking about? Look down here. Rainy and cloudy. I'm looking at rainy and cloudy. So come back up here to my tally chart. How many rainy days have we had? 5, good. And how many cloudy days have we had? Look up here. 4, yep. So now, can you do that addition problem? What is 5 plus 4? 9. We've had 9 rainy and cloudy days because remember, and means to add. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to look and see what type of weather have we had the least amount of. So what weather have we had the least amount of? I hope you said snowy because we've had 0 snowy days, right? March and April were not snowy. They've actually been pretty nice, huh? Okay, now let's take a look. We said today is Tuesday. So if today is Tuesday, what was yesterday? Yep. And if today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? Yes, very good. Now, I want you to think, we're talking about Tuesday. We're not talking about tomorrow. So get your mind back on Tuesday. We're on Tuesday. What will the day be in 4 days? So start on Tuesday, and what day will it be in 4 days? Did you say Saturday? Because if you did, you're right. Saturday will be 4 days. Good job. Okay, now I want you to look right here, and I want you to go ahead and help me count how many days we have been together in first grade. Are we ready? Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130. Good job. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 days. Amazing. So we've been in first grade together 139 days. Now I want you to help me show this in an addition sentence. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to say, how many little bitty blocks are glued together? I hope you said 100 because that's exactly right. 100 plus what? 100 plus 30. Good job. And now 100 plus 30 plus 90. 9. Very good. 100 plus 30 plus 9 is the same thing as 139. Now tell me, what numbers do I use to write 139? Yep, I'm going to use a 1. What else am I going to use? I'm going to use a 3 and a 9. Very good. I'm going to use 1, 3, and 9, and that's 139. Excellent job. Now, go ahead and tell me, is 139 odd or even? I hope you said odd because 9 is an odd number. Very good. Okay, now what I want you to do, tell me some times. This was our time yesterday, so I'm going to give you a brand new one. Okay, here we go. What time does my clock say? Yep, the hour hand is on the 2, so that's 2. The minute hand is on the 15, so it's 2:15. Very good. All right, now try this one. What time does my clock say? I hope you didn't fall for it. I hope you said, oh, it's in the middle of the 5 and 6, so I have to look back, and we're going to look back at the 5, so it's really 5, and the minute hand is on what? The 30, so our time is 5:30. Excellent job. Okay, now here we go. I need you to help me. I want you to think. I'm going to give you the name of a coin, and I want you to tell me how much that coin is worth. So, dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Okay, good. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. Okay, good. All right, how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Good, it's worth 1. And how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Very good. Now, tomorrow we're going to switch it up. And I'll give you the amount of money, and you've got to tell me the coin that it's worth.